Our Beauty released 2 different eyeshadow palettes inspired by a Bridgerton. We're going to be using this palette today. I love the packaging and I love the eyeshadows. If you don't think this is stunning, we can't be friends. We're going to start with this shade Rose. Apply this on the outer edge of the eye, damping, and then we're flinging it out to blend. I'm not applying anything down here where eyeliner would go. Laying it in a little bit. Chocolate shade. Go back to that pink that we used. Dip back and forth. Deepen this up more definition here in the corner. Tapping on, flinging it out. Add some more pink. Beautiful, beautiful. Right pink shade. Sugar high. Right above this pink here. Very lightly. Have my hand on the edge of the brush. Blending that up and out. Make the eye look a little brighter. Apply this to the inner corner. Pink shimmer shade, pink diamond. I have this gap in the middle of the eye. Have it right there. Taking a flat, precise eyeshadow brush, pastel yellow shade Charming, damp. Bring this yellow to halfway. Pastel green shade Bonbon. Damp it on color Lollipop. Flick this up to create a wing. Green shimmer shade. Tap this on top of that green pastel. Blend shade Sweet Cream. Marry all these colors together, at least up here. Pastels pop even more. Yellow one close to the inner corner. Green the outer edge. The inner corner highlight, we're going to use shade Mode. Popping this in the inner corner, right under the brow as well.